Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was a great philosopher with vision, understanding, and wisdom. He has made inestimable contributions in the realms of epistemology and ontology. He has provided philosophical insights to humanity in different areas of knowledge and existence. Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, as a political philosopher, has developed the political thought of Islam. His observation that Tawheed demands loyalty to God and not to thrones has become a foundational proposition in Muslim political thought. He considers the state as an institution which realizes the Islamic ideals and realities in a unified whole. He advocates the republican spirit of Islam. Allama Iqbal had a great political farsightedness to develop the idea of an independent, sovereign Muslim state. His political vision led to the creation of Pakistan, which gave a safe haven to the Muslims who were suffering under the subjugation of Hindu majority. The Muslims got a fresh taste of political freedom, among other things, for which they shall ever remain in gratitude to Allama Muhammad Iqbal and Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The need of the times is that we keep on striving for the realization of Islamic values, which have always granted, in the words of Allama Iqbal, equality, freedom, and solidarity.